Hi, this is Jake. Today I want to show you how to use the snipping tool, which is built into Windows, version 7, 8, and 10. The snipping tool is a convenient tool to use when you are using your computer and there's a piece of, let's say, a web page or maybe an Excel document or just about anything that you want to take a snapshot of and save it, and then you can email it to people, or you can use it in making up another document or some kind of graphic or something. So let me show you how that works. So I'm going to go over to my browser, and I have this is my web page, and I want to make some changes to some text here. I want to send a note to my marketing department to change the wording perhaps. So I'm going to open up my snipping tool. So I'm going to click on the start button, and I'm going to show you two ways to do it. One is you can just type in snipping from the Windows button, and it'll bring that up. I can click on that to bring up the snipping tool. But I can also click on the start button, go to all apps, and they kind of bury it a little bit, so you got to kind of know where it is. It's in Windows Accessories. So I've got to go down to the W's, go down to Windows Accessories, and you'll find it in here, Snipping Tool. All right, so I'm going to open up my Snipping Tool, and once it's open, I can use that to, here we go, take a little. Okay, so here's my snipping tool here. Now I can click new, and once I click new, the screen kind of goes into this gray mode. Now what it does is it freezes the screen so I can figure out what I want to snip. So I can snip the logo, let's say, or I'm going to click new and do something else though. Or I'm going to go over to this text here. I'm going to select this text here, put this box, select the text box. Okay, so now I've snipped that bit of the web page, and here it is. So now I could use these markup tools if I like. I got a pen that I could use, so I can use that to circle things. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger because the default is a kind of a thin line, so I'm going to make that a little bit thicker line, and I'm going to make it a round tip. Okay, then I could use that to draw. I can use the highlighter tool, and I can highlight text, because what I want them to change is this network monitoring. It's in caps, and I would like it to just be in proper lowercase. Okay, let's say I want to make a mistake. I can erase something. I can just click on the erase tool and just touch what I want to erase. So it's that easy. Okay, now I can save it. I can copy it to my clipboard and paste it, let's say in a Word document or an email. Or I can say send snip, and it will open up your email with the snip as an attachment. But I'm just going to go ahead and save it here, and I'm going to put type that, give it a name, web page markup. And I can choose if I want it in a PNG format, JPEG. I'm going to go ahead and select JPEG and save that. Okay, and I'm going to show you another example how you could use this. I want to, my son's birthday is coming up, so I'm going to make him a card. So I'm going to find a graphic, and here's some cute little teddy bear guys, Ewoks. So I'm going to find that on the web, and I'm going to go to my snipping tool. I'm going to click new, and I'm just going to take this guy right here. I don't want the whole image. I'm just going to take him. All right, and then I can just go ahead and save that. And I'm going to call that Ewok. And I could say use that later on in a card or something. Now, that's about it. It's pretty easy. It's a built-in tool. Comes in Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Easy to use. Another thing, with Windows 10, they do have Windows Edge, or Windows Edge, which replaced Internet Explorer. It's the new browser, and Edge does have that built-in capacity to, when you're browsing web pages, that you can cut out pieces to use. as images. You can mark it up, which is pretty slick. But be careful when you're using images from the internet, because a lot of those images are copyrighted, and you certainly don't want to be violating anybody's copyright and get a nasty gram from the copyright holder. So just be aware of that. If you're going to take an image and use it in business, make sure that you use the proper attribution. So that's it, using the snipping tool, and thank you for watching.